Yes. Good morning, children. So today we are going to discuss a problem from exercise number 2.3, fourth one. This problem is depending upon the division algorithm. Already you know that the division algorithm is P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x minus plus R of x. This is the division algorithm. That means when we are dividing a polynomial P of x, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by another polynomial G of x, then quotient Q of x is equal to x minus 2 and the remainder R of x is equal to minus 2x plus 4. Asking us to find out the G of x here. So we have to substitute that all the values in the division algorithm. P of x is equal to G of x plus G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Here we want to find out the G of x. To find out the G of x, we have to send these two terms to other side of the is equal to, that is G of x is equal to P of x minus R of x by Q of x. Then substitute the values over here, then is equal to G of x is equal to P of x, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus of minus 2x plus 4 by x minus 2. Now is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4 by x minus 2. Then simplify it. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x plus 3x plus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Okay. Now we have to do the division this. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. X square times x cube, x square into minus 2, minus 2x square, x square minus plus cancel, minus 3x square plus 2x square is equal to minus x square plus 3x, then minus x times minus x square minus x into minus 2 plus 2x plus minus, that is a 1x minus 2 plus 1 time x minus 2 minus plus cancel is equal to 0. Therefore, G of x is equal to, what is that? X square minus x plus 1. So in the examination, he may ask you to find out either the divisor or the quotient. Here he gave the quotient and asking to find the divisor. Sometimes he will give that divisor and will ask us to find out the quotient. Different ways he will ask this question in the examination. Okay. And the next thing that we are going to discuss about another exercise 2.4. In the 2.4, he is explained mainly about the cubical polynomial. Already we have discussed yesterday. Cubic polynomial means the third degree polynomial and also relations between the zeros and coefficients. Three are there. One is alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is the sum of the zeros, is equal to minus b by a, and sum of the product of zeros taken to at a time, alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and product of the zeros alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. This is the relations already yesterday we have discussed. And now we are going to do that one of the problem from this exercise. 2.4 second problem. This is depend upon that. And also we are learned zeros and the relation between the zeros and coefficients. Now we are going to learn how to write the cubical polynomial if he gives either the zeros or sum of the zeros, sum of the product of zeros taken to at a time, or the product of zeros. Then here p of x is equal x cube minus ax cube minus here p of x is equal x cube minus sum of zeros x plus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta into plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x plus not plus minus product of zeros, that is alpha beta gamma. This is the formula to find out the cubical polynomial when he is giving the zeros. Now the question 4, he gave us sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to sum of product of zeros taken two at a time, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to, how much he gave? Minus 7, and product of zeros, that is alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 14. Now he is asking to write the cubical polynomial. Now cubic polynomial is equal to p of x is equal to x cube minus sum of zeros x. How much the sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus 2 into x. Now plus sum of the product of zeros taken to at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 7 x, and minus product of the zeros alpha beta gamma, that is equal to minus of minus 14. See once again, p of x is equal to x cube minus sum of the zeros x square plus sum of the product of zeros taken to at a time minus product of the zeros. Now is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14. This is the polynomial, cubic polynomial for which he is asking in a question. Are you understood that? Now this is only the formula, and duly that we have to remember it. Okay? Just you have to put a glance, and also you have to remember this concept, that is a formula, how to write the cubic polynomial when is giving the zeros. Okay. Now we are going to do that another problem from this 2.4 exercise, that is here is giving the 3 zeros, that not a direct numbers, he gave that alphabets. If the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 are a minus b, a plus b. Now the p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1, and the zeros alpha is equal to a minus b, beta, a, gamma, a plus b. Now he is asking to find the values of A and B. Now these A and B are different with the coefficients. Here coefficient just we are denoting with the ABC, but here these AB's are not that coefficients. Now sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, what is the formula? Minus D by A minus of minus 3 by 1. Alpha plus beta plus gamma, A minus B plus A plus B is equal to minus of minus 3 by 1. Minus B plus B cancel, 3A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. Already we got that value of A. One value we got. Another value B we have to find out, that is how do you find out that B? So the relation, that is product of zeros, that will be help to us. Now product of zeros, that is equal to alpha beta into gamma is equal to minus D by A, that is equal to alpha into beta into gamma, A minus B into A plus B is equal to minus D by A. What is the D here? Plus 1. So minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 1. Now you can substitute the values of A is equal to 1. Then 1 minus B into 1 plus B is equal to minus 1. Now here 1 minus B into 1 minus B. 1 minus B into 1 plus B, that is 1 square minus B square, that is 1 minus B square is equal to minus 1. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to B square, where the B square is equal to 2 and B is equal to plus or minus under root of 2. Therefore value of A is equal to 1 and value of B is equal to plus or minus under root of 2. This is the problem where we are finding the values of A and B. Here in this problem he gave that A minus B, A plus B, but in a examination in the RD he gave that these zeros are in a AP. AP means arithmetic progression. That concept will be learned over there. Now this is the way to calculate the values of A and B. Just for a little while you can put a glance. Try to understand each and every question. If not, if there is any doubts, please make a call or you have to post that point. I can explain in the next class. Now the next question of this class, this exercise, that is the fourth question of the 2.4. What is the fourth question? If the two zeros of this polynomial is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. Please once again you can see that x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. This is a polynomial. It is a fourth degree polynomial. Is it or not? So it is a fourth degree polynomial. So it will be have that 4 zeros. But he gave only the 2 zeros. Already we have discussed this concept yesterday. Again, 2 of these zeros are alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta is equal to 2 minus root 3. But he gave in the question 2 plus or minus root 3. That means 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. When we got that 2 zeros, we are able to find the quadratic polynomial. That is sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3, this and this will be cancelled, is equal to, you got the 4. So sum of the zeros you got as a 4. Now product of zeros is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 is equal 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. That means product of zeros you got as a 1. Therefore, here that quadratic polynomial that you can take as another one, q of x is equal to x square minus sum of zeros x 4x plus product of zeros plus 1. Okay. With this we have to divide the given polynomial. X to the power of 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 divided by x square minus 4x plus 1. X square, here the x to the power of 4 is there. We have to multiply by x square. X square into x square, x to the power of 4 minus x square into 4x minus 4x cube, x square into 1 plus x square. Now minus plus minus, cancel it. Minus 6x cube plus 4x cube minus 2x cube minus 26x square minus x square minus 27x square plus 138x. How many times will be goes now? This x square minus 2x cube is there, minus 2x minus 2x cube minus 2x into minus 4x plus 8x square minus 2x into 1 minus 2x. It is a plus minus plus cancel. Minus 27x square minus 8x square minus 35x square plus 138x plus 2x plus 140x. Take down minus 35. How many times will goes? Here the x square minus 35x square. So it will be go for that minus 35 times minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35 plus minus plus cancel, remainder 0. So for this we have to find the zeros. X square minus 2x plus minus 35, that is equal to, split the brackets, split the middle term. X square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. X is the common, x minus 7 plus 5 is the common, x minus 7 is equal x plus 5 into x minus 7, where zeros are x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5, and x minus 7 is equal to 0, x is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 or 7. So other two zeros are minus 5 and 7. Okay, that you can write over here. All the zeros are 2 plus or minus root 3 minus 5 and 7. These are the 4 zeros. Okay, please go through that each and every step, that just for a glance. Okay, now if there is any doubts, already I told you that you can post on my WhatsApp, or personally you can call me, or in any other way you can convey that doubts. I can explain in the next class. The next class we are going to discuss that one more problem from this exercise. By this we are going to complete that chapter. So before completing the chapter, I am asking you 2 doubts. Okay, good afternoon, goodbye, good luck.